Welcome back to the beginning of the website analytics module. Let's start with the crucial choice of opting for the right tool for analytics. Apart from the big issue of privacy, there is also the complexity of data that needs to be addressed. Some tools, and again I have to mention Google Analytics, provide a lot of web analytics data, but so much so that it becomes too much. Overwhelming graphs and stat charts with tons of numbers. You need to get a certified expert to make sense of it all. And there's actually a certification for this specific purpose. So what is that all about? Why complicate things when there are tools available that get you the info you need in a straightforward and effective way, and the quality of data could be the same? So basically, we talk about how the tool presents the data, and this can be very important. Also, look into the range of types of data on offer. Only some apps offer both traffic stats, like the number of unique users, and user behavior insights like session recordings and heat maps. Go with one of those in order to understand the full story behind user journeys going beyond just stats. Do not forget the capacity of the tool to integrate with all platforms. WordPress, Weebly, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, or just plain HTML. Before you install, check to see that the app works well with your platform. Let's recap a bit. We need a tool that complies to privacy, ideally with cookieless tracking, plus one that offers complex data in a friendly way with quantitative traffic stats and user behavior features. Also, one that integrates with your website builder or platform. There is one app that ticks all of these, and that is Visitor Analytics. I know it's not nice to brag, we know it, but leaving all fake modesty aside, we can definitely recommend our tool when you start tracking your visits. Visitor Analytics does not engage in any cross-site tracking. Data is not passed on to any other service. So, persons visiting websites that use Visitor Analytics instead of Google Analytics can ensure their users that their activity will not be used for potentially intrusive advertising activities. Visitor Analytics does not engage in selling any data, and as stated in our data privacy agreement, the website owner is the sole owner of the data. He or she can choose to store it, delete it, or use it at their own discretion. Visitor Analytics has been working on a cookieless tracking approach that means there's no need to opt in and no cookie banners. There's no risk of fines. There's no risk of getting truncated data because of being blocked by browsers. Privacy of online activities is respected and cross-site tracking is impossible. Visitor Analytics works on almost all platforms, and on the major ones it can be easily integrated with one click, as it has dedicated plugins developed for Wix, WordPress, Weebly, Joomla, and many others. So there's a chance that your platform is there already and it will be easy to install Visitor Analytics on it. Also, why waste time and money on countless tools when you can have everything you need in one place? Visitor stats, popular pages, session recordings, heat maps, conversion funnels, and more. Everything nicely presented in a dashboard that uses green and red to show you if the website performance is heading in the right direction or not. No need to be an expert to use it. But if you are one, even better, as you can go in depth with your analysis of data.